Hi, my name is Rana Amjad. I have chosen Google Translate for my EdTech Marketplace assignment. So what is Google Translate? It is a multilingual neural machine translation service which is developed by Google, which can translate text, documents, and websites from one language to another. It was launched by Google on April 28, 2006 as a statistical machine translation service, and then on November 15, 2016 it is transitioned as a neural machine translation service. This service is used by over 500 million people daily, which provides pronunciation, dictionary, and listening to translation. This service is available in 133 languages spoken in the world. It offers a mobile app for Android and iOS users, a web interface, as well as an API, which helps developers build browser extensions and software applications. So how and who can use Google Translate? So what is the cost of this service? This service is available free of cost as Google Translate has introduced its own Translate app. So translation is available with the mobile phone, even in offline mode, which means users don't need data or Wi-Fi services to use this service. So can be used anywhere and in any settings. What is the age group to use this app? There is no such age limit to use this service. So students from 4 years plus can use Google Translate at all levels of learning a new language. The app is easy to use for any age and skill level. What is the privacy policy for this service? This service does not offer any security or confidentiality for students' data, as everything that is translated through Google Translate is stored and analyzed by Google. So how this work in an educational setting? Google Translate gives teachers a fast and easy tool for communication as it translates documents and websites not only with their students but also with their parents and the whole school community. In this way, students can improve their understanding of a language and pronunciation. It helps the students to navigate online materials, which helps them to communicate with other students who do not speak the same language. The goal of Google Translate in an educational setting is to make sure that all students and teachers are on the same page by understanding each other on many levels. Google Translate is also beneficial in an educational setting as a research tool. There is a lot of information that students and teachers can benefit from that are from different countries and languages, and due to Google Translate they can both have access to it as well as allowing teachers and students to have more access to resources. It is also very useful for students who may have migrated to a different country and do not understand the language spoken there. This way they can translate the tasks and lessons given to them, allowing them to also succeed in the class comfortably. So there are some advantages and disadvantages of this app. There are pros and cons of Google Translate, which is like pros are it is a free service, it is very fast and quick, it can be used anywhere and anytime. There are some cons, it is not accurate all the time and it can have grammatical errors. So why we should or should not use this tool? My overall view on the use of Google Translate is not that bad, as it is an easy, short and quick way of translating words, documents and websites. My recommendations would be based on its accessibility as it is free and can be used anywhere and anytime. It provides diversity to its users and it helps educators and students of different ethnicities sharing their thoughts and experiences in an educational setting. Likewise, in a public setting, people can choose their menu or can find tourist spots in a different language while visiting a different country. It is also helpful for business community in their businesses as they can communicate each other to buy and sell or to launch a new product in the market by using Google Translate while dealing with the people speaking different languages. In some cases, it's not a good tool to translate a language because of its inaccuracy and grammatical mistakes. So I would not recommend to use it because its safety is not reliable. So if you need to be perfect in translation, use another tool, as you might not get perfection from Google Translate. So there are some references I used to learn about Google Translate. Now let me demonstrate how to use the app. First, I'm going to type Google Translate in Google. So now I'm going to click the first popped up link. So there are some choices over here, like you can translate text, images, documents, and websites. So first I'm going to translate a text into another language. First I'm going to start off with changing the language. I'm going to pick English language. Here it is. And I'm going to change it into Urdu, my language. I'm going to write how's your day going? So it translated into आपका दिन कैसा चल रहा है, and I can listen the translation too. First in English. How is your day? Okay, now in Urdu. Okay. There are some tools at the bottom of the slide. It's like copy translation. So I can copy the translation. So it's showing आपका दिन कैसा चल रहा है in Urdu. The other tool is to rate this translation, like how accurate it is. And the last one is like share this translation. So I can share, or anyone can share this translation. They can email it or they can post it on Twitter. Now I'm going to select the image, the language first, English, here Urdu, and I'll browse my computer. I'll pick a picture which shows how to bake a pizza at home, and is showing it in Urdu, घर में pizza बनाने का तरीका. There are two features. There is like a copy text, so you can copy the text or you can download the translation. Now I'm going to show documents, how to translate it. It's my title page in English. I'm going to translate it into Urdu. I'll browse my computer. I'll pick my assignment title page, translate it into Urdu. So it's showing it in Word. So now you can see it is translated in Urdu. Now I'm going to look at into the website. I'm going to pick Sportsnet and I'll put it over here. So I'll translate it into Urdu, from English to Urdu. So you can see it is translated in Urdu, all the pages. There are 3 more features at the bottom for history, saved, and contribute. So if I'm going to click history, it's going to show me that you can view and manage translation history associated with your account. So save feature is like you can save translation and synced across all Google Translate sites and apps. Contribute is like to help increase verified translation for your language. So I have demonstrated Google Translate that can help students and any users in so many ways, even if they do not know the language. Thanks for watching my presentation.